Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you total 5 directory submission websites. All the websites can provide you a do follow backlink. So now we can start. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So the first website name is colorblossom.directory.com, and you can see this is interface. So there is a submit link button. You can click over there, and there in the title section you guys can add your title. So I have already generated title in the description. In the URL section you guys can choose your URL. For the directory submission you guys can consider your index page or your main service page URL. This is a best practices for the directory submission. If you guys can follow this process, you guys can maintain and you guys can secure your website spam score. Okay, in the description section you guys can add your description, and you guys can choose your name. You guys can choose your company name and your email ID, which email ID you guys are doing directory submission. Then you guys can choose your category. Employment, so this is a category for us. Then you guys have to verify your captcha. Then after that you can click for the continue button. So you can see your link is submitted or waiting for approval. Okay, then after that you guys can go with a latest link button section, and you can see this is our directory best video interview software Jobma we have recently added, and they will not provide link details option. So there is no any link details option. So you can see our backlink is submitted. We have submitted our backlink on that website, so we have created. So now we can move forward with the next one. So the next one is a darkschemedirectory.com, and you can see there is a submit link button. You can click over there, and after that you guys can found this interface. So there in the title section you guys can add your title. Okay, then you guys can verify the captcha, and after that we can click for the continue, and the same process we can follow after the submission. So our captcha is 100% successfully, and now so you guys can go with a new link section. So you can see this is our directory backlink best video interview software. There is no any preview the link details option, so you guys cannot carry your landing page URL. So you can see it's a do follow backlink. I can show you it is a do follow and no follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow, no referral, and no sponsor. Okay, so you guys can move forward with the next one. So the next website is brownagedirectory.com, and there is a submit link button. You can click over there. So this website might taking couple of time for the loading. Okay, so now you can add your title. In the description section, I can add a description, name, email ID. Then you guys can choose your category. Then after that, you guys can verify your captcha. Then you can click for the continue, and you guys will see link is submitted. Now we can check in latest link section. So you guys can see this is our backlink, directory backlink, best video interview software, and there is no any link details option. So yeah, this is the backlink for the third website. So now we can move forward to the next one. So the next one is alive to directory.com, and there is a submit link button. You can click over there. Yeah, so we can add a title, description. Then you guys can choose your name, email ID. Then you guys can verify your category. Then you can click for the robot verification. Then you guys can click for the continue button. And once you guys can complete this process, so you guys have to wait a couple of seconds. So our link is submitted, but why? Let me check. Is there anything happening? So now we can go with we submitted. So latest link section. Uh, yeah. So you can see best video interview software. Our backlink is here now, and there is no any option for the link details. So now we can move forward with the last one. So the last one is article. Okay, arcticdirectory.com, and there is a submit link button. You guys have to click over there. And now we can follow the same process. We can submit the title, description, URL, and all details. And after that, you guys can choose your name, email ID. Then we can verify the captcha, education, environment, amenities, businesses, employment. Then we can verify the captcha. Then you guys have to click for the continue button. And now our captcha is successfully verified, and there is a need for the, we can refresh it, and now there is a top links, top hits, okay, latest link. We can go there now, and you guys can see this is a backlink best video interview software. So we have created all the directory backlink on 5 websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thank you so much. And if you guys are new on this channel, so you guys can, okay, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for you or your friends or your family, so you guys have to share your thoughts on our comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.